Qysea Fifish V6 Expert. Qysea has expanded its catalog of underwater drones with a new professional design that promises to get the best shots of the seabed, the Fifish V6 Expert. This model, which moves at a speed of 1.5 meters per second, comes with 6 thrusters for 360-degree movement and a 156 WH lithium battery that allows it to operate for 5 hours on a single charge. If required, it can be equipped with an optional shore power system that offers optimal diving performance and uptime. Also, this thing reaches a maximum depth of 100 meters. It includes a camera that can record 4K videos at up to 30 FPS and 12 megapixel photos and a 6,000 lumen LED spotlight. What really sets this model apart is that it can be attached to a wide variety of tools: complementary lights, robotic arm, mini circular saw, pH sensor, 2D probe module, laser rangefinder. The possibilities are almost endless here. The V6 Expert interface enables the efficient integration of a wide range of professional level and industry-specific tools for solving different scenarios and tasks. The device applies unique sensory controls that provide the user with a truly immersive underwater experience from the ROV's first-person perspective. Via smart VR glasses, you can get the Qysea patented full 360-degree direction and attitude control simply by turning your head. This smart feature is precise, easy to use, a genuine breakthrough in underwater research. The V6 Expert comes equipped with a pair of ultra-bright 6,000 lumen LED lights along with its 4K UHD camera, which delivers bright, vivid images and footage even in the darkest of spaces. And finally, the V6 Expert has a super capacity battery of 14,400 mAh that ensures a long battery life, fast charging capabilities, 90% capacity in just 1 hour, as well as multiple safety mechanisms. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.